after talking about the praxis with peers in class, how do you feel about taking the praxis? Do you have any concerns? I have a lot of concerns. I am pretty much stressed out with fieldwork, praxis, capstone. I have about a bunch of study material, but I feel like it's too soon to study. It's not going to be fresh in my mind. I tend to think too long and think too much into questions, and that's the reason why sometimes I get it wrong instead of just going with my gut feeling. Also, I never took a psychology class. I took one that was, what was the book? It talked about the different theories and different disabilities. So that was really interesting, but that was my first time taking it. So I really have to study the theorists and, get really familiar with them. And I'm a visual learner, so I really have to write them out and kind of set them up so that I can see what the differences are, and so that doesn't kind of confuse me. So that's where I'm at right now. I was really sick last week, and so it kind of took some time away from everything I had planned, but I'm planning on doing a little bit of studying every day up until then, as well as finishing capstone and working on portfolio and logging my hours.